So the first question, 2 by 5, we have to convert into percentage, so we multiply by 100. Now as we can divide 100 by this denominator 5, we will simplify it. 5 ones are 5, 25 is a 100. So now the numerator becomes 2 multiplied by 20. So the answer is 40. Now the important thing is, many students make mistake, they don't give the percentage symbol. It's very important, you must give the symbol of percentage here. Okay, so now similarly we'll solve next question. So it is 5 integer 4 upon 10, we have to convert into percentage. Now this is a mixed fraction. First we have to convert into proper or improper. For that we will multiply 5 into 10, it will become 50. We will add 4, 54 divided by 10. To convert into percent, we will multiply by 100. So it will be 54 by 10. You have to tell me which kind of fraction is it. Is it proper or improper? Okay, please comment on that. So now 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 100. So it becomes 54 into 10. That is 540%. Again, very important to give that sign. Similarly, we will do one more question. So mixed fraction again. So the third question is 8 integer 1 upon 3. Again, you have to first convert that into proper or improper. Okay, you have to tell me which kind of fraction is this. Okay, so 8 into 3, then we add 1. So 8 is a 24 plus 1, 25 upon 3. Tell me which kind of fraction is 25 by 3. To convert into percent, we multiply it by 100. Now as 3 cannot divide 100, we are multiplying 25 and 100. So it becomes 2500 divided by 3. Now we will just divide it and write the answer in fraction form. Okay, mixed fraction. So now 3 8s are 24. So it is 3 8s are 24. I subtract, get 1, write 0 there. 3 3s are 9. 1, again I take 0 there. So it again 3 3s are 9. So again I subtract, get 1. Now 1 is my remainder. Okay, we will write answer in QRD form. So this is Q is 833 quotient, R is 1 remainder and 3 is divisor. So it is 833 integer 1 upon 3%. I hope you have understood the concept. Okay, if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and also share with your friends. Thank you so much students. Take care. Bye bye.